In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a discussion group in Haiku. And discussion groups can be used in a variety of ways. You can set them up for each individual student so that they can function very much like a blog and can be used for reflection. Or you can set them up for whole class discussions. And so what I'm going to do is click the Add Content Block button. And I'm going to select Connect and Assess. I want to go down to Discussion. And I'm going to just title this Sample Discussion. And I can type in a short description of the discussion if I want to do that. And the most important part is the discussion type. So here I can choose class discussion, where the entire class participates in the same discussion. I can do a section discussion if I've set up a class that has multiple sections. I can do a group discussion where I divide my students up manually, or I can have Haiku do that for me, or I can do a one-to-one discussion where each student has a private blog. So in this example, I'm going to choose the group discussion and click Next. And by default, it's already created 2 groups, but I can click Add Group. So I want 4 groups. And these groups can be titled whatever you'd like them to be. I can type in a student's name, but what I'm going to do is click the Auto Distribute Students. And now I've got 4 groups. I'm going to go down here and click Finish. And then very similar to a poll, what I need to do here is decide whether this is going to be available at any time, or if I'm going to select a particular date range. So in this case, I'm going to choose anytime. I'm not going to allow students to view other groups. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Finish. So this is what it'll look like once it appears on a page in Haiku and students can click on this. They should only be able to view their own group discussion. And they would see my prompt up here, whatever directions I had. They can click More and view additional information about this particular discussion.